What's up, you guys? Matt Padlow here, and today on this beautiful Saturday we are in Merced, California, touring Bright Homes' new developments here on an awesome side of the Merced City area as well. This model we're touring is a 4-bed, 3-bath, and it's 2,059 square feet approximately. Let's come on in. As you can see when we're walking in, what captures your attention right away is the very aggressive, almost orange peel plastering on the walls. It's beautiful. It adds a lot of texture to the walls right off the bat. We also have the standard speakers and recessed lighting throughout. Let's go ahead and come over to your right over here into bedroom number 1. And this is going to be a nice sized bedroom, enough to fit a bed, some side tables. It has a slide closet that comes with it and an ensuite bath as well. I like the tiling they did on the floors. It adds some fun and pop of color. And I also like that it has some storage on the vanity with some little all wood drawers. Shower insert. It has seats in there as well, little hand. I like the transom up above, letting in some natural light into your shower. Of course, it has your fan to wick away excess moisture. This bedroom also has a front facing view of the front of the property. Coming out of bedroom number 1, which is a nice guest bedroom since it's off to the side right when you enter the property. We have a coat closet. And then over here is one of Elena's favorite features of the house, and it is a chalk door. Very clever for the kitchen that we are entering into right now. Nice sized pantry for all of your food and or dishes, whatever you decide to store there. And then let's come on into the kitchen. All right, so chalk door. And over here you come into this beautiful modern kitchen with concrete countertops, plugs. This is a very oversized island, kind of like what we saw at Fairbanks. So it's going to give you plenty of seating. Not quite as large as them, but you can seat 4 people here, as you can see easily. And then it's loaded with space, all up and down, all wood, cabinetry, drawers, all of your pots and pans, cooking appliances. We're going to have room for a double door fridge, tall cabinets for plenty of storage. Still has a little bit of room on the top, so they're not too tall, but they definitely give you plenty of storage. I love the modern, very thin, clear tiling that they threw in there on the backsplash. We're going to have your gas range. Another feature that was spotted when we entered the property is how they just threw up black blinds and how much better that looks. A little tip, if you want to upgrade your blinds, just get them in black. It looks way better and way slicker. Double-sided stainless steel sink. I like the square, modern black appliances. So instead of all the rounded finishes, they have very squared corners. I always prefer that look. And they kind of bring that same style down to the hardware on the cabinets. They gave you plenty of plugs along your counter space for all of your plug-in appliances, which is really nice. Here's your dishwasher and then a nice serving countertop. In here is your dining area. And as you can see, just like the other houses we have toured, you're going to have a living, dining, and kitchen space, all open concept. The dining table's right here. It can fit a very big one. Love the light fixture they chose. It adds interest to all the airspace here, bringing the tall ceilings a little lower in this area, making it a little cozy. And then we have a living area, plenty of room for a giant L couch if you want, or separate. Love seats. Has a lot of windows in this corner, which just makes the space very open. And out here, we might try to get some footage of a pretty good sized backyard. This is probably the biggest backyard I've seen for a model home that we've toured thus far. They gave you a nice patio here where you can have some outdoor furniture and a barbecue. Love the big mirror. A lot of things we're noticing in staging is that they're adding big mirrors at certain big walls on the house to make the space even more open, and I like that design idea. Leaving the main living space, heading down the hall, we're going to have another coat closet, linen closet entering the hall, which is nice. This house has plenty of closets for storage, which is appreciated, especially when you have a family. And then let's come into the nursery, which is the bedroom right behind me right now. When you walk straight down the hall, it's staged as a nursery. It's actually bedroom number 2, and we're going to have a nice light closet, a pretty decent space, view into the backyard. Coming down the hall, we're gonna have another one of these galley bathrooms that are long and skinny. Toilet combo tub setup, shower setup over here. Coming out of the galley bathroom design, we're gonna head into the laundry room. Speaking of ventilation, they gave it in this one as well, which is awesome because moisture can not only accumulate in bathrooms, but also in laundry rooms. Any place where there's heat and water, right? That creates steam. So it's nice to have that in the laundry room. I love the fluorescent strips they put in here. It makes it more commercial. Also how they put the washer and dryer up on stands, so it makes it much easier when you're doing laundry. You don't have to bend over to do it. Nice touch. Love how they gave a sink, of course, with a removable head and some storage and a lot of storage up above. I also like how they tiled the floor in the laundry room, so it's gonna hold up better to water. Stepping into the bedroom right across from the galley bathroom, we're going to just have another simple bedroom, decent size. It's gonna have a slide closet and even a little nook over here where you could either put a chair, or I like how they staged it with a desk here as well. Let's talk about the floors real quick in the hall. So the floors are gonna be the same wood plank style, ton and groove flooring. Probably snap together flooring that we saw like at Fairbanks Ranch. Walking into the primary bedroom, we're going to have a much bigger bedroom. It has room for a dresser, side tables, a sitting nook, and we have a big window looking into the backyard, which brings in a lot of natural light, which is nice. They even have the built-in speakers in here, which is great to pump some tunes. And of course, the thing that's gonna grab your eye right away is this really nicely wood-trimmed wall to add a feature wall to this primary bedroom. Now into the bath and closet. So the flooring is going to change again to a very interesting geometric pattern tile shape, which is kind of an interesting switch on things. We're gonna have a water closet over here to the right. And something that I haven't seen that I can remember is a linen closet in the master bath. So you can have all your towels in here, sheets, whatever else. It's really a nice touch to have in a space like this. We're gonna have a full walk-in shower, again with the transom, bringing in a nice natural light. So the shower pan insert is gonna be one piece, and then they put the big slabs of stone up against it. And it makes less seams for water leakage in the future, which is nice. And we're gonna have your dual vanity sinks, which is awesome, with again, the nice wood storage. The black fixtures that we saw in the kitchen is continued into this bathroom. Coming into the primary closet, we're going to be switching the flooring yet again to some carpet flooring for that cozy closet feel. And we're gonna have plenty of room for all of your clothes, all of your shoes. And again, they left it super simple, the developer, so you can come in here and do custom cabinetry and shelving if you need to. I'd like to thank Bright Homes here at Summer Creek in Merced for having us come out and tour their beautiful development today. I would like to thank George, the sales agent here. If you have any questions, comment below. I can put you in touch with him. I would like to thank you guys for watching. Consider giving this a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Share it with family and friends. It helps out the channel. And let us know if you would like to see more of these house videos. Thanks so much.